calculate the resistance of the bulb. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to find out what we require for this. Okay, we need to find the resistance, and what we are working with is got a battery which is run on voltage, potential difference, and we can also find the current. Okay, so I. So we use having all of these components, we can know that we got V equals IR, and this is the best way I tell students to know which equation to use. See what you have and work with what you have, and then you can sort of see which equation you need to use. Okay, so we can rearrange this to make I the subject. So we do V equals IR, and we can make R the subject. Okay, V divided by I equals R. So we need the potential difference, and we need the current for this in order to find the resistance. Now the voltage, we can say in regards to this component over here, we know that the total voltage, so VT equals to V1 plus V2. Okay, now if we name this V1 and we name this V2, we know that the total voltage is 12 volts equals to V1, which is 8 volts, plus V2. And so we can just subtract the 2 from here. Subtract the 8 from here and subtract the 8 from here. And we know now that V2 is going to be 4 volts. Okay, so we found out the volts is 4 volts. Okay, now the current. It states that the current is the same everywhere. So we have the current flowing over here, conventional current. It's going to be the same at any point. Okay, that means the current at this point over here will be the same at the current at this point. Okay, a series circuit. So we're going to find out the current over here. So if we use V equals IR, we can say that V is 8, and we don't know what the IR and R is, which is 6. And so we can say the current is 8 over 6 amps, or it's 4 over 3. Okay, so we can leave it at that. So now we found what the current is. So we know what the current is now, and we know what what's the percentage difference. We can just do 4 over 3. Now, we can do it as a fraction. We got a reciprocal of a fraction. Okay, so we can just do it this way, not using a calculator, and we get the following: 12 over 4. And so we know the answer is 3 ohms. Let me just write this out again.